sense ability. Now, let me now explain, because you might be thinking, so what is it? Your ear sense ability. Composition depends on what you hear. I hope you know that. If I'm going to write a song, whether there is an inspiration, okay, let's look at inspiration. Even though I will talk about it in the jiffy. I sleep, and while I'm sleeping, I just see them singing a song. Not necessarily that the angel gave me the song. But yeah, Abraham, wo, ma lọ síwájú, Jésù Kristi wà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀, ma lọ síwájú. Everybody, wo, ma lọ síwájú, Jésù Kristi wà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀, ma lọ síwájú. Orin kan nìyẹn o. This is what we do in the church, and they clap for us. So the fact that the church claps for you after a very bad song does not necessarily make it right. Because you need to know. I need to improve. I need to get better at this. So your ear sense development is your responsibility. It's not anybody's responsibility. It's yours. Look at me now. There are certain styles of music I can only write in 10 years ago. But now, I can write. So, if I decide today that I want to do a classical song, I can write it. And I will score it into all the parts. And when you hear it, you will think that it's one of those Handel songs. If I want to do a Kirk Franklin song and put all the arrangement there, I can put it. And I will write it. I'm not boasting. It's what I've done. It's what I've done consistently for 20 years. More than 20 years. I told you, one of the songs that was performed when Enaboki came to Oshogbo, 2001, was the song I wrote. My friend only added a few lines. My own song. Are you getting it now? So, and my song has been performed like that, like that, all over. Maybe not all over, like all over, but all over, like all over. Praise the Lord. We have to say, and we have to be very careful. You don't say, that coach is a very proud man. All over, who knows his songs? Oh, good God. So it's your personal responsibility. It's the way you interact with other people's songs. So now, look at it now. You are living here today with new concepts. The way you listen to songs is one of the ways you derive skillfulness. So now, the next time you listen to other people's songs, you are not just enjoying it as a mood enhancer. I mean, something that enhances your mood. You want to walk, you want to do some very rigorous, you need some songs that will help you to, have that energy, sustain it. You just put something that is very danceable. And you are listening, you are walking, you are listening. That's not the kind of listening I'm talking about here. It doesn't develop your ear sense. The kind that develops your ear sense is you are analyzing. As you are listening, you are analyzing. As you are listening, you are analyzing. And by the time you are through with listening, you are picking out one line, two lines that sounds like this, and you are beginning to apply it to this line in your own song that sounds like this. You are picking this line, you are saying, okay, she did her own like this, I will do my own like this. You twist it, you add it to this, you add it to that. Initially, it will not make sense. It will sound stupid. But it will stay there. Because that's part of the process. Write it down, everybody. Writing stupid songs is part of the process of building skillfulness in singing, in songwriting. Because, sir, one of the things that has limited certain persons is their inability to go past that feeling of stupidity when they write songs. Wait, the song is whack. One of my students, I said, I write songs, but it's whack. So I told the person, I said, who told you it's whack? Oh yeah, let's listen to. And by the time the person, I'm like, are you kidding me? It's because of your ear sense level. Me that I've developed a little bit more than you, I hear other things. And by the time we walk through the song, so sometimes what you call whack is not whack. It's just your ear sense ability, your level. I mean, where you are now. So when you listen to song, your skill level. And you must to develop skill. That is the reason why we are having this summit. How you can move from an inspired songwriter to a skillful songwriter. And believe you me, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And that is not a motivation.